afternoon, dear students. Today we are going to see Python programming. That's introduction to Python programming. Excited? Yes. Even I'm excited to teach you all. So you know it very well. Python is a popular programming language and it is generally used for web development, software development, system scripting or programming. Okay. So Python can be used on a server to create web applications, or it can be used to create software, or we can connect it to the database system, and can work on different platforms. It has very simple syntax just like English language. That's why it is so much popular. It runs, we can run the Python program on interpreter. It means particularly one line will be converted into machine language at a time. Line by line program execution can be done. Indentation plays a very important role in Python. So now let us see data types in Python. In any programming, data types is an important. Okay, so variables can store data of different types, and different types can do different things. We know that if we have to hold some value, then we have to take help of variable like x is equal to 10. So x is a variable. So these variables can be type of particular data type in programming language. So Python has some built-in data type, that is string, integer, float, list, tuple, dictionary, boolean, etc. So let us see today integer, float and string related data type. We can handle numbers in Python with the help of integer data type and float data type. So integer is a data type who particularly it is a whole number. It can be positive or negative without decimals, or and it can be of unlimited length. So for example, as you can see here, I have written a is equal to int of input, enter the value of a. It means we are accepting the value with the help of input statement, and then that value will get converted into integer form and it will get assigned to a. Input statement in Python is used to accept the input from the user. That's why the data type of A will be integer, as we are assigning the value integer to A. We have to handle numbers with decimal values, then we can use floating type number, or we can use floating data type, float data type. Okay, it is written in two forms. First is fractional form, as you can see in the picture, like 675.456, and other is written as in the exponent form, exponent notation. So it has mantissa and exponent part, like it is given, for example, 6.754556E2. Okay, so wherever particularly we have to handle decimal values, then we can use float data type. And when we have to handle string, or we can say alphabetical values, that time string data type is used. A string is a group of valid characters enclosed in a single or double quotation marks. Okay, it can be a group of any type of known characters, that is letters, numbers or special symbols. As you can see in the picture, we have considered particular word computer. So this is string, and in Python it will be saved in the memory as shown in the picture. Means whatever the memory location, it will start, and indexing it will start. So that index will start from 0. 0th place C will stored, at first place O will stored, then second place, m will store, and so on. So whatever length is there, that according to that length, particular index will start from 0 to that number. So in Python, the value which we are using to assign the variable according to data type of a value, that particular variable will get created. So be ready. We will see the demo of this and demo of how to download the Python and install on your system, and how to write and run the program in Connect Call. Thank you.